Okay, I have a new keyboard, the GK61. It has optical switches, optical brown switches, and it is RGB. Okay. It comes with keyboard, well, obviously, and USB Type-C cable, and then the switch and keycap puller, and then user manual, which doesn't have English. Oh wait, yeah, it does. It's a start guide, and then it comes with phone. Okay. Wait. Oh. Okay. Here it is. And I got in the Malibu color. Okay. Sound test. Okay, sounds good. And hold up. It is hot swappable. So yeah, so you can take the keycaps out. And then you can also take the switch out. Wait, let me just do this. Wait. I can't. Wait. Oh wait, I have to do it this side. Wait, no. I got it out. Okay. Yeah, so you can put different switches if you don't like optical brown switches. I mean, Gateron optical black switches. You can put like blues, but it has to be optical. So, yeah. Wait. I keep on I'm trying to put the keycap on. It's not okay. And they sound good. And it does wait, I have to make sure this is in. And here, wait. Let me put the cable on so it actually looks like what it's supposed to look like. Okay. So it, oh, sorry. Okay, so it does come with rubber feet, and it's already like stood up. Yeah, it has 4 rubber feet. And what is this? I don't know. But it does have the cable on the left side. And you can use this on PS4, so yeah, that's it.